And Jose Fernandez getting ready to come back. He's announced that next Thursday, July 2nd, will be his debut. And he's continued to rehab. Was dominant last night in Jupiter. 7 innings, gave up just 1 run. And now in his 2 rehab starts, 19 strikeouts. He dominated high A hitters last night. Back with the team today. It's just down the road in the Florida State League. There's so many teams this time of year. You look at the trade deadline and say, how can we make ourselves better? But the Marlins, just some guys are going to be getting off of the disabled list, are going to improve a ton.
Yeah, and you know what? When you look at also this bullpen that's probably been their black eye thus far this season, you're going to get some of these starters back, as you mentioned, and you allow some of these guys to go down there and help that bullpen sort of get back to where you believe you can go to, and they can have some roles.